Okay, next example, you will have the integral of dx all over the quantity of 25 plus x squared raised to 3 halves. If you analyze this problem, this is in the form of a squared plus x squared. So according to the pattern, if you have a squared plus x squared, you will have to let the value of x as a tangent theta. So getting the value of a, that is 5. So you will have the value of a as 5. So the value of your x now is 5 of tangent theta. Now take the derivative of this equation. You will now have dx equals 5. Then the derivative of your tangent theta is secant squared theta with respect to theta. Now you have to substitute your values. So the value of your dx is 5 secant squared theta d theta all over your 25 plus the value of x is 5 tangent of theta squared then raised to 3 halves. So you will now have the integral of 5 secant squared theta d theta all over 25 plus 25 tangent squared theta raised to 3 halves. If you will notice, they have both 25. So pwede natin i-factor out. You will now have 5 of secant squared theta d theta over, this will be 25 multiplied by 1 plus tangent squared theta. Then this whole denominator is raised to 3 halves. Now note that this part, if you have 1 plus tangent squared theta, that is equivalent to secant squared theta. So pwede natin palitan to ng secant squared theta. So you will now have 5 secant squared theta d theta all over, this will be 25 can be 5 squared. Then secant squared theta raised to 3 halves. So pwede natin gawin is 5 of secant squared theta d theta all over 5 of secant theta squared raised to 3 halves. So pag in-evaluate mo to, exponent raised to another exponent, pwede nyo i-multiply. So 2 multiplied by 3 halves is simply cube. So this equation will now be 5 of secant squared theta d theta over 5 secant theta then cube. So you have to evaluate secant squared tapos secant cube. Ang matitira na lang is isang secant. So you have a constant of 5 over 5 cube. So you will now have 5 over 5 cube integral of d theta over secant theta. So 5 over 5 cubed is 1 over 5 squared, or can be 1 over 25. Then integral of 1 over secant is cosine theta, d theta. So if you integrate the cosine theta, that is equivalent to sine theta. So you will have an equation of 1 over 25 sine theta plus c. Supposedly, this is your final answer. But this is in terms of theta, so kailangan natin ibalik in terms of x. Kukunin natin si sine theta using the equation of x equals 5 tangent theta. So this can be tangent theta is equivalent to x over 5. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So using the triangle, if you have the theta, the opposite is x, the adjacent is 5. You're gonna get this hypotenuse as x squared plus 5 squared, or can be 25 plus x squared. This is 5 squared plus x squared. So ang kailangan natin is sine theta. So sine theta is opposite over the hypotenuse. So sine theta now is equivalent to the opposite, which is x, over the hypotenuse, which is the square root of 25 plus x squared. So you now have your sine theta. So the final answer in this equation is 1 over 25 multiplied to x over the square root of 25 plus x squared plus c.